Welcome back to this YouTube channel where it's time to do the 2003 DVD closing of Lookout Clifford and Big Fun in the Sun. Now on this DVD, there's gonna be like a two-part closing. So what you're gonna see now is what you're gonna see now is part one. I'll explain part two at the end, okay? So what you're gonna see on part one is the closing of Big Fun in the Sun, and then part two, man, will be the closing like to Lookout Clifford. So here is the part one closing of the Lookout Clifford and Big Fun in the Sun. Some DVD from 2003.
And I guess some things never change.
Press one of these bones and go to a page where you can choose one story to watch, or you can play all of the stories.
Alright guys, that was the closing like to part one of the Lookout Clifford and Big Fun in the Sun DVD from 2003. Now stay tuned for part stay tuned for part two. Alright? Yeah, because part two, guys, will be on your way. So stay tuned for part two. Anyways, if you enjoyed it, man, as always, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. And I will see you guys on part and I will see you on part and I will see you guys on part two.